Everyone, welcome back. The awesomeness of the Omnitrix. Look at that, guys. It's finally in, so as you can see, I just need someone, so I need two things. So it doesn't actually work yet. You're gonna go and comment, what should the main ones be? So I'm doing the classic version, and pretty much the classic version of, forearms, gray matter, all those ones, the main ones. But if you want any other ones, please let me know. And yeah, so this is what we have so far. If someone can make this item so it has an hotbar, but when you have it, it's invisible. You can do it by setting the opacity to 1. If someone knows how to do that, please let me know. I will shout you out in my next video if you know how to do that. You can email me at reallyanimations12@gmail.com. And yes, let's try to get to 200 likes on this for the Omnitrix. Please like, because this took a long time to make the model. Just because, it took a while. I took a image online, kinda, and I just tried to recreate that. So pretty much, yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. So pretty much how it's gonna work as well. When right-clicking, it will switch through options, sneak, pretty much, and you'll become those things. I don't know if I'll do an animation of them, actually turning into them, or if it'll just do, straight into it. But yeah, please leave a like, and so, you'll never miss any other video, because this is going to be a really cool add-on. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.